Well, China's EV pricing war might be coming to an end. Now, Tesla joined some of the nation's top automakers in signing a pledge to keep competition fair and avoid, quote, abnormal pricing. Joining us now to break this down is Yahoo Finance reporter Pras Subramanian. Hey, Pras.
Hey, how's it going, Rochelle? You know, you mentioned that pact, or whatever you want to call it. Some say it's a cooperation. In this country, you might call it something of antitrust behavior, things like that. But in China, that's sort of how you do business there. So Tesla, along with 15 other Chinese EV makers, signed a pact today to cooperate to rein in prices. This is at a signing ceremony today on Thursday, kind of led by the CPCA, the China Passenger Car Association there, ending the price war there in China, which was already sort of dissipating, as we saw recently, with some companies actually hiking prices just a little bit after all those huge downward revisions. It's all very strange, I think, for Americans to see that, but that's just how things are done in China. But it also may sort of signal a change with Tesla. Usually the company sort of went by the beat of its own drum and would kind of do its own thing, whether it's a bespoke charging network or, you know, direct sales to consumers in the US. But now you see a more mature Tesla working with competitors in China, opening up its charging network here in the U.S. to other competitors, maybe kind of as the company matures and sees sort of its place in the industry.
And it's interesting because, you know, obviously Tesla is very uniquely positioned to be able to sort of have this very flexible price changing structure here. So can we expect then some normalcy from here? Is this going to be what it is from now, given this pact that they have in place?
I think in China, it shows their willingness to really play ball with what the government wants them to do. And if that means not cutting prices and angry, remember, a lot of customers were angry with them because they cut prices so drastically in the beginning of the year. And many people had paid thousands of dollars more just the day before the price cut. So I think the Chinese are also looking at Tesla saying, hey, why don't you be a bit more moderate here, work with the other competitors in the space, make sure everyone sort of survives and not everyone's kind of racing to the bottom and losing profit share.
I have to see how that competition heats up, especially since there are some more affordable models in that home territory in China. A big thank you there for getting us up to speed, our Pras Subramanian.